Here's what the research has demonstrated. In an immune system that doesn't react rapidly and appropriately, bacteria and viruses that have found their way into the bloodstream may become embedded in the arterial walls, initiating an inflammation in the artery. This inflammation attracts the LDL, or so-called bad cholesterol, which becomes oxidized in the lesion, aggravating the inflammatory response. The body responds by sending macrophages to clean out the oxidized LDL debris in the inflammation. As these macrophages engulf the oxidized LDL, they grow in size, causing further swelling. In attempting to clear out the oxidized LDL, these macrophages actually aggravate the condition, making a bad situation even worse. Meanwhile, if the body's immune cells haven't been sensitized to these bacteria and viruses, they go unknowingly on their way, unaware of the growing problem in the arterial wall. The role of transfer factor is to support the immune system by improving its ability to recognize and react to foreign invaders. In this case, transfer factors help the body's immune cells recognize and eliminate the invader. Once the bacteria or virus has been dealt with, it's time for the immune system's suppressor cells to deal with the excessive inflammatory response. Transfer factor supports these suppressor cells, and healthy suppressor cells in turn enable the body to control the inflammation. Once the inflammation is controlled, the arterial wall is free to repair itself and recover its normal function.